Students, I already discussed previous two sessions about integrations, some fundamental formula using some fundamental formula, exercise 9a, and using substitute method, exercise 9b. But in this session, I have started some more using more trigonometrical functions. Using more trigonometrical functions, that means we have used some formulae to better understanding integrations in this exercise. For example, I am giving some useful formula about this for a better integrations. That is formula 1. If that is sin mx into cos nx. You can write in this value. You can write also half sin m plus nx plus sin m minus of nx. Sin mx into cos nx, that value you can write in this way. Similarly, formula 2, the alternative sin and cos, alternative use. If both are cos mx into cos nx is equal to half cos m plus nx plus cos n minus of nx. I have solved some problems about integration by using that formula. Okay, formula 3, that is third formula. That is sin mx and cos. Alternatively, sin and m, it is purely cos. If it is purely sin, that is sin mx into sin mx, then you can write in this way: half sin cos m minus of nx minus of cos n plus nx. You look that third formula, that is sin and cos, alternately used. In this case, totally cos, mx and cos x totally cos form, and that is sin form. If it is sin form, then m minus n, cos m minus n starting first, then cos m plus n. That is mostly remember. Otherwise, you have confused in the integrations. Now we have started some questions about exercise 9c. Number 1, you look the number 1, particular that you using that formula, using, for example, number 1i. Using number 1i, exercise 9c, number 1, bit I, you have done. Now that is sin 4x into cos 3x. You look, sin 4x into cos 3x dx. Alternatively, sin and 4 alternatively, that is sin mx cos n. That first formula we have already discussed about this sin mx and cos n. Here n is equal to 4, n is equal to 3. So that formula can be integration half taking outside, because the half is constant, taking outside of the integration cos 4x plus 3x, that is sin 4 plus 3, that is 4 plus 3 is equal to 7x cos of 7x plus a minus n, 4 minus 3, that is sin x. You look, we have used that formula, that particular formula used in this case, sin mx into cos n is half sin n plus n, 4 plus 3, that is 7x, 4x minus 3x is equal to sin x. Now, how we have integrated that value? That is half integration of sin 7x dx plus half integration of sin x dx. You know the integration of sin 7x is very easy, minus of half, because sin, that is 7x into z, substitute method, using substitute method, sin 7 is z, so sin integration is minus 1, so minus half into 1 by 7, because 7 is multiplied in this place, so 7 is divided by integration, 1 by 7 cos 7x. Similarly, that is minus of half cos x plus of c. So in both cases, taking minus half common, that is cos 1 by 7 cos 7x plus cos x plus C. That's your answer. So you have used example. Sorry, exercise number 1, exercise 9C number 1I, that is you also do number 2I cos 3x and cos 2x using formula 2, and 3I also using formula 1, and IV also using formula 3. But now I am doing some problems like V. So V is there are 3 functions are multiplied. So now I am going to complete this V. Exercise B1, exercise number 1 with V. Number 1 with V. Because there are 3 functions of trigonometric function multiplied. I already solved about the only 2 multiplication functions. But in this case, in V, there are 3 multiplication cases. You have faced 3 multiplication cases. That is cos 4x, cos 3x, cos 4x and cos 5x and sin 2x. V is equal to 1V. Question 1 will be cos 4x into cos 5x into sin 2x. I think sin 2x dx. You look, cos 4x one term, cos 5x second term, and sin 2x. That is 3 terms are multiplied. That into and multiplied. So how this problem I have solved? I gave this some useful tricks to solve these problems. Now cos 4x cos 5x using formula 2. Using formula, that is m is equal to the larger rule, taking the larger rule as m. Here m is equal to 5 and n is equal to 4. So that is called half. That case, using second formula, cos 5x into cos 4x, that is equal to cos 5x plus 4x is equal to 9x plus 5x minus 4x is equal to cos x into sin 2x dx. You look how I can do this process, because formula 2 I already told you. Formula 2 taking m is equal to 5 and n is equal to 4. 5x plus 4 is equal to 9x. 5x minus 4 is equal to x. So half cos 9x into sin 2x, that is sin 2x into cos 9x plus sin 2x into cos x. Sin 2x into cos x dx. You know the first formula. Here m is equal to 2, n is equal to 9. M is equal to 2 because sin mx cos nx. M is equal to 2 and n is equal to 9. So that is half integration of the half. You can write sin 2x plus 9x plus sin 2x minus 9x plus sin 2x, here also half. M here m is equal to 2, n is equal to 1. That is sin 2x plus x plus sin 2x minus x whole dx. Because that integration, common integration, to look in this case half also multiplied, in this case also half multiplied. So taking half common to outside of the integration, because half is a constant. So taking this half outside of the integrations, taking half outside of this integration. So half into half is equal to 1 by 4. That is 1 by 4, and integration of 9x plus 2x, that is 9 sin 11x dx. 2x minus 9x minus 7x. Sin minus 7x is minus sin 7x, minus of sin 7x. 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 taking outside, plus of sin 3x, and that is sin x dx. So you look sin 11x. When you integrate sin 11x, note of sin, integration of sin is minus cos. So 1 by 4, that is multiplied throughout the equation. Sin 11x integration, that is the value of its sin integration 1 by 11 minus 1 by 11 cos 11x. In this case, minus is the before sin 7x, so minus into minus is plus 1 by 7 cos 7x minus of 1 by 3 cos 3x minus of cos x plus c. That's your answer. So that is your answer. B is 1 by 4. If you can expand when it is expand, that is minus 1 by 44 cos 11x plus 1 by 28 cos 7x minus 1 by 12 cos x and minus 1 by 4 cos x plus c. You can also write in this way, but it is better process to write in this way. So now similarly one problem in your exercise, that is number 1 B3I. Last problem of this exercise, last problem of this problem B3I. Now I am going to solve this problem also. B triple A, I think B2I and B3I. Integration of sin x by 2, sin x by 2, sin x by 3 and cos x by 4. Sin x by 2, sin x by 2 into sin x by 3 into cos x by 4. You look, sin x by 3 and cos x by 4 using formula 1. Where they go? I can write where sin x by 3 into cos of x by 4 is equal to 1 by 2 sin, that is x by 3, sin x by 3, sin x by 3 plus of x by 4 plus sin x by 3 minus of x by 4. That value is equal to half sin LCM 3 and 4 is 12. No doubt sin LCM is 12 and 4x plus 3 is 7x. 7x by 12. 4x minus 3x is equal to x, that is sin x by 12. You look, instead of sin x by 3 into cos x by 4, you can put the value half whole into sin 7x by 12 plus sin x by 12. Now put, that is sin x by 2 whole into half sin 7x by 12 plus of sin x by 12 dx. Now half is the constant taking outside of the integration, half taking outside of the integration, half sin x by 2, you can write sin is 7x by 2 because 7x by 2 is greater than x by 2. Sin is 7x by 12 into sin x by 2 plus sin x by 2 into sin x by 12. Both are, that both case using formula third. In the both case you are using the formula third. So now I am going to the formula third. लिख दो जी. Now where sin 7x by 12 into sin x by 2 is equal to, using formula third 1 by 2 cos 7x by 12 minus of x by 2 minus of cos 7x by 12 plus x by 2. You look, half LCM is 12 and it is 6x, 7x by 6x, x by 12. That is cos x by 12 minus 13x by cos 13x by 12. Again, that value you have used. We use that value is 7x by 2 and x by 2. That value again sin x by 2 and sin x by 12. Again sin x by 2 into sin x by 12. Sin x by 2 plus sin x by 12 is equal to half cos x by 2 minus of x by 12 minus of cos x by 2 plus of x by 12 that equal to half cos LCM 12 6x minus x that is 5x by 12 minus of that is LCM is 12 cos no doubt that LCM is 12 that is 6x plus x that is 7x by 12. So in the both case that case and also that case half is multiplied, so half taking outside of the integration, so before half is present here, so half into half that is 1 by 4 integration of that part is equal to that integration is equal to cos x by 12 minus of cos 13x by 12 cos x by 12 minus of cos 13x by 12 plus that case is equal to that value is equal to half is taking common outside, so cos 5x by 12 cos of 5x by 12 minus of cos of 7x by 12 dx. Now we look when integrate cos theta, the integration of cos value is only sign, not negative, but sign integration is negative. Here integration of cos is positive. Now 1 by 4 that is 1 by 12 because 1 by 12 is multiplied, 1 by 12 is divided, so it is 12 is divided multiplied is equal, that is 12 sin x by 12. Here 12 by 13 is multiplied because 13 by 12 is multiplied, so 12 by 13 is multiplied with the integration 12 by 13 sin 13x by 12. Here multiplied 5 by 12, so here its multiple is 12 by 5 sin 5x by 12, and in this case 7 by 12 is multiplied with x, so minus of 12 by 7 sin is 7x by 12. That's your answer. Plus C. Now we look here 1 by 12 is multiplied. 1 by 12 is multiplied. Here reciprocal is 12, so here reciprocal 12 is multiplied. That is 13 by 12 is multiplied with x. Its reciprocal is 12 by 13. 5 by 12 its reciprocal is 12 by 5, and 7 by 12 its reciprocal is 12 by 7 is multiplied in this throughout the equation. You look how this way you can easily solve these problems. That is all about number 1. So next the remaining problems, the rest problems you can easily solve. I think you can easily solve. Now I am going to number 2. Number 2 I am discussing cos square x, some even powers and some odd power of the sine and cos. Especially some even powers and odd powers. If you face some even powers, then it is very important for your problems. But if odd power, it is easy for your problems. I think I have done 2 problems in these types. Number 2. Now I have solved. I am going to solve the 2 types of problems: the even power of a even power and odd powers of sine. Even power and odd powers of the trigonometric functions. You look. Example 1, taking even power, that is cos square x dx. 2 is even power cos, so how I can solve this problem particularly thing? You look, that is equal to you know cos 2x. You know cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus of 1. So 2 cos square x is equal to minus 1 from in this side, that becomes 1 plus cos 2x. So cos square x is equal to that divide 2 is multiplied here, it is divided in the right side. So 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Instead of cos square x, you can write 1 plus cos 2x by 2. You look how I am solving using purely trigonometrical formulas. Who are strong in trigonometry, they can easily solve. So cos square x becomes 1 plus of cos 2x by 2 dx. No doubt half is constant taking outside of the integration. Now it becomes 1 plus of cos 2x dx. 1 into dx is equal to dx, the integration of dx is equal to x, that is half into integration of dx is equal to x, and cos 2x 2 is multiplied. Its reciprocal is 1 by 2, that is plus of 1 by 2 sin 2x plus c. That's your answer. For even powers, you can use in the formula. If it is odd power, now I am discussing the odd power. You look how I have done this problem for an odd power. For example, I am changing the power unit instead of 2 using 3 because the power is odd. That is, power is odd. It is very easy to solve. How? In cos qx, you can fraction the cos qx into 2 parts. That is cos square x into cos x dx. Cos q, power 2 and power 1, base is same, so 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So I factorize cos qx is equal to cos square x into cos x dx. Now, cos square x, you already know cos square x is equal to 1 minus of sin square x dx. 1 minus sin square x cos square x into cos x dx. You look, multiply cos x inside the bracket, so that becomes 1 into cos x, that is cos x dx, minus of sin square into cos x dx, minus of integration of sin square x into cos x dx. You look, integration of cos x, you already know the integration of cos x. Integration of cos x is no doubt sin x. But in this case, taking sin x as z, substitute, using substitute method, put z is equal to, put z is equal to, but you can take p also. Put z is equal to sin x. Put z is equal to sin x. So dz is equal to, that becomes dz is equal to sin x. So the derivative of sin x is equal to cos x dx. You look in this exercise, cos x dx already present. So instead of cos x dx, you can put dz. So sin square is equal to, where sin x is equal to z. So sin square is equal to z square. Because sin x is equal to z. So sin square is equal to, sin square x is equal to z square. So now I have write integration of cos x dx. You can write cos x dx is equal to dz, where cos x dx is equal to dz minus sin square sin x is equal to z, sin square is equal to integration of z square into cos x dx is equal to dz. That is very simple way. Integration of dz is equal to z. You know z square is purely algebraic function. That trigonometric function changes to algebraic function. So z square dx integration is equal to z cube by 3 plus c. Where z is the value of z, you can put the value of z equal to sin x. Now put the value of z. Sin x minus 1 by 3 sin qx plus. That is very easiest way to solve this problem. Similarly, if it is 7, or in case it is 7, here it is 7, you can put 6 and cos x. But 6 is equal to, where cos 6 is equal to, cos 6x is equal to, you already know, cos square x to the power q, where cos square is 1 minus of sin square x to the power q. In this way, put sin x is equal to z and dz is equal to cos x dx. Similarly, in this way, you can solve. Okay? Now I have to look this problem. Some hard problems in your exercise. That is sin 6x. That is sin 6x. It's a very important problem in this number 2. Sin 6x dx. I already solved this problem. Sin 6x. That is sin 6x. Sin 6x. Sin is 6x dx. How I have solved this problem? Look, that is, there is 2 processes. You can solve it in 2 processes, but I am taking the first process. In your classroom, I am understanding the second process also. So sin square x to the power q. Yes. You know, sin square x is equal to 1 minus of cos 2x by 2. 1 minus of cos 2x by 2. The sin square x, instead of sin square x is equal to 1 minus of cos 2x by 2. 1 minus of cos 2x. 1 minus of cos 2x by 2 to the power whole to the power q dx. Integration of this. 1 by 2 whole cube, that is 1 by 2 whole cube, 1 by 8. Taking outside of the integration 1 by 8. You already know a minus b whole cube. You already know the formula. 1 a of cube 1 cube minus of cos cube 2x minus of 3a square b minus of 3 1 into cos 2x plus of 3ab square, that is 3 cos square 2x. You look how I have solved this problem. I have solved this problem. 1 by 8 integration of dx 1 into 1 to 1 1 into dx minus of 1 by 8 cos 2x. You can factorize the cos 2x into cos square 2x into cos 2x dx minus of 3 taking 3 by 8 outside of the equation 3 by 8 1 by 8 multiplied throughout the equation, so 3 by 8 integration of cos 2x dx minus of the plus 3 taking outside 3 by 8 1 by 8 multiplied, that is cos square 2x dx. You can solve this part by part. Put in this case put cos square 2x is equal to cos square 2x is equal to 1 minus sin square 2x. Similarly, we have done 1 by dx minus 1 by 8, that is 1 minus of sin square 2x into cos 2x dx minus of 3 by 8 cos 2x easily you can integrate with cos 2x dx plus of 3 by 8 you can use the cos square x form, that is 1 plus of cos 4x by 2. Previously I have solved the first problem in this exercise 2, so 1 plus cos 4x by 2 dx. We look 1 minus sin, put sin 2x equal to z, cos 2x dz and continue in this way. Easily you can find the value of the sin 6x dx. So it is not sin 6x dx. In this process you can solve, because dx equation x, put sin 2x to z, cos 2x equation we already know, so sin 2x z square dz by 2, so you can put value taking outside 2, so z square dz. Previously I have solved in this problem, cos 2x equation already you can find, and also 4x equation you can find out. So now that is number vi, I think that is vi, number 2 vi, yes vi. You look number ix is equal to sin qx by cos, no, sin qx cos 6x. You look sin qx and cos 6x. ix number 2 number 2 ix equation, that is sin qx by cos 6x dx. You look how it is, how integrated this process, that is equal to sin square x into sin x divided by cos 6x dx. I have simplified, that equal to 1 minus sin square x, you know 1 minus of cos square x by cos 6x into sin x dx. You look, put cos x equal to z, put cos x is equal to z, substitute method, put cos x is equal to z. So dz is equal to minus of sin x dx. We have in this exercise, in this example, sin x dx, not minus of. So minus dz is equal to minus of dz is equal to sin x dx. Sin x dx. Now we put the value 1 minus of z square by z6 into minus of dz. When the minus is multiplied this equation, z square is positive and 1 is negative. That equal to z square minus of 1 by z6 dz. Now it is very easy to solve, because z square by z6 dz minus dz by 1 into dz by z6. So that equal to, that value is equal to, you look, z square by z6 is equal to dz by z4 minus of dz by z6, that is z6 dz by z6. We look, z4 is below power, when it is to upwards, then it becomes power, it becomes minus z minus 4 dz is equal to z to the power minus 6 dz. Integration of z minus 4 is equal to z to the minus 3 by 3 z to the minus 3 by minus 3, that is minus z to the power minus 5 by minus 5 plus c. You also write in this process minus of 1 by 3 z cube plus minus plus 1 by 5 z to the power 5 plus, that's your answer. Now put the value of z value equal to cos x. Put the value of z cos x, that becomes 1 minus of 1 by 3 cos qx plus of 1 by 5, that's cos to the power 5x plus c. That's your answer. Very good. 30 minutes.
Okay.